If you work from home and you're struggling with handling your PC, your personal one and your work one, and you're sort of juggling with your keyboard, your wires, your mouse and all those wires tangling around your table, what you need is a KVM switch. What's a KVM switch? Glad you asked. A KVM switch helps you manage and control multiple computers with a single set of keyboard, mouse, monitors, and all the other external peripherals you might have. This has been around for a while. It's not new, but it's definitely useful for your specific problem. And they have actually become quite comprehensive from what they were before. So let's actually look at this specific item, and it's going to be a good, interesting one for you guys. Watch till the end. Alright, so here's the box. High definition multimedia interface, always enjoy super quality. This specific item boasts 8K resolution. There's the HDMI 2.1 KVM switch with 4K at 120 kHz and USB 3.0 PC dual port. And there's a number of certifications that it supports: UKCA representation, FCCE, and kind of recycling information, ROHS certification as well. And it's also made in China. So let's quickly have a look inside the box. Alright, so in the box, what you get is the switch itself, and then several accessories, USB-A to USB-C cables that would essentially allow for connection to the specific devices that you are connecting to. And then there's the product manual, which sort of covers the specifications of this item, product introduction, device parameters, color, product size and specifications, product material, aluminium alloy, and kind of the way you'd connect the devices, switching method, support system, and other features. So it's quite powerful in terms of what you get. These devices have become quite powerful and quite cheap. This one's about 21 £21 in the UK. And here's what you get out of the box. This is the KVM switch, USB 3 KVM switch, 2x1, so it will support 2 specific devices at one time. 2 systems can be connected. That's awesome. And here's all the peripherals that will be available for you to use across the 2 systems. So that's 4 USB-C ports, PC1, PC2 lights that would indicate what you're connected to. And at the back you get all the different connections. So DC 5 volts, which is essentially going to be powering this specific device. This is kind of the one that uses this USB-C cable. And then this is the PC1 and HDMI in, PC2, HDMI in 2, and this is the output. So it will output to one specific monitor, one specific device. PC2 into PC1 in 1, DC 5 volts. That's the KVM switch for you, and you can click on this switcher to switch between the 2 systems. That's going to be the end of you plugging in, plugging out your devices, and the switcher would do the job for you. Nice and simple. And that's the KVM switcher for you. If you've got any questions or queries, please let us know. Like this video, share, and subscribe to MyNextBest. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Bye.